Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell so you wouldn't miss a video, and smash that like button. Um, Today, we're going to talk about how to create this animation. Let's start from here. All right, first, we're going to want to go into motion right here, settings, motions, effects. So, the motion we want to do is bounce bottom. Now, bounce bottom is not going to do it. I'm going to show you why. Boom. That's not good. That doesn't look like a bouncy ball. Let's see that again. So, the way we're going to do that is with the Y position. I want you to put it at 110. Once you start doing this a lot, you'll get familiar with the numbers and stuff like that. So, I don't know why I did that. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, minus 110. Here we go. So you see how it's a lot more better. Now what you want to do is right click, group it, and once you group it, I want you to right click it again, add animation, go to property, position, linear. You want to click this keyframe. See how it bounced? Boom. Alright guys, alright, I'll see you in the next video. Let me show you how the final result, boom boom. And here we go. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.